Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Apecoin. If you have not been seeing the rally, it went all the way up to $27, and at the same time in the next couple of hours it did drop all the way down to $22. At this point there is a lot of panic in the market and a lot of people are trying to figure out where the next move is going to be. Personally, I was really cautious when it was starting to climb, but right now I'm a lot more confident in what is going to happen in the price. Before I get into it, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Apecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but it would just help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video to more people. More people see the incredible side of Apecoin, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profits, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and I want to show you guys something really interesting. So ever since I made my last video, which was about 24 hours ago, you can see we did have a strong pullback. This is probably due to a lot of people deciding to take profit, and also another very big reason behind this is the whole market having a small pullback. At this point, Bitcoin has fallen below 39,000 again, and at the same time Ethereum is under 2.85k. Now that's why obviously Apecoin did have a little bit of a pullback, and on the 1 hour chart the super trend did turn into a downtrend. But keep in mind, yesterday I was a little cautious, but I feel like now I'm actually more confident after this pullback, as the news will be dropping very soon, under 24 hours since the metaverse will be released. And when that is released, you guys know in crypto, whenever the news will drop, there is going to be a strong pullback. But because this pullback, when the whole market actually had a strong pullback, wasn't so significant, yes, it looks like it went from 27 all the way down to 22, which is close to 10% decrease, but at the end of the day, it is still hanging on to a very strong support, which is close to $19. If this pullback did fall all the way down to $19, I personally feel like that would have been a lot worse, due to the fact that there would have been nothing after that to actually help it retrieve when the market or when the news drops. Right now, there is going to be the strong support close to $19 that we will be able to play off, and if it does decide to rebound from there, use it as a strong support, it could probably break through its all-time high close to $27, which was only set close to 24 hours ago. I'm personally a lot more confident in the price now, seeing this pullback compared to yesterday, as I feel like I've noticed on Twitter a lot of people deciding to lose faith, saying, hey, Apecoin's going to fall down now, it is not going to recover. If you decide to look at the coin market cap, it will give you a little bit more clearer indication. Yesterday it was the 23rd largest crypto by market cap, and today it is still holding on to that number because the whole market did come down. So overall, Apecoin is still sticking to its numbers. And if you decide to look at the trading volume, it has exploded. Look at this, it is up close to 300%, and the trading volume to the market cap ratio is over 100%, which is amazing for any project. I mean, Bitcoin could never do that, but when we talk about Apecoin, this is insane, as there is a lot of whales and a lot of people actually looking into this project. Personally, I still feel like it hasn't hit its all-time high. There is still a lot of exploration yet to be done. Will the all-time high act as a strong resistance? I personally do not think so, as there is a lot of news yet to come out towards this token. Before we look into the 4 hour chart, I want to show you guys this. So today they tweeted this out, saying the community has been hard at work proposing new ideas in form of AIPs to guide the direction of the DAO. Read the below for quick update on where some of the AIPs are at in the process and how the holders will be able to do. And they decided to actually go ahead and give some update to the community in terms of what the future plans for the token is going to be, what are some suggestions that we are working on, and what point we are up to. This is incredible. I have been talking about this so much, trying to say that Apecoin Twitter or the team needs to be more active. That post was done about 19 hours ago. Before that, there was no post for nearly 3 days, which is not good at all, because the more retweets and the more likes that the tweets get, more people find out about the project. It helps the project get more recognition. That's probably the best way to put it. Now, I want to show you guys what sort of impact it had on the 4-hour chart. You can see on the 4-hour chart, after the small pullback, or you can say a pretty gigantic pullback, we still did not flip the super trend into a downtrend. Overall, we're still in an uptrend. And that's why I was more confident with the price, because the RSI has come back to the middle zone. We're no longer in the overbought zone, which was one of the reasons I was very scared. But now the price seems to be in a very digital area, and at the same time you can see the buy orders are heavily outweighing the sell orders, and I personally feel like there is a big jump yet to come in on the 4-hour chart. If we just decide to stay over the zone close to $20, and when the news drops, obviously there is going to be a significant pullback. We just need to make sure it doesn't break the strong resistance close to $19. If it stays above that, trust me, there is no slowing this token down anytime soon. Another thing which I want to show you guys is, look at this. Top crypto analyst dives into Bitcoin, doldrum evaluates Apecoin and 1 Ethereum, and this person decided to say that Apecoin is still yet to see its all-time high. So look at this. The trader also evaluates the Bored Ape Apecoin, which has been going bananas ever since the release. He says he's waiting for a downswing on the monkey before he apes in. So he's waiting for the strong support close to $19 to be tested, and that would be the time where he would want to buy in and try to make as much profit. I mean, he's trying to hold it long term, suggesting that there is a long term idea in terms of how well this project is going to do. I still think this project has a lot to come through, and it might actually test a very strong support, as I just mentioned, close to $19 when the news drops tomorrow. But just be a little cautious in terms of how you're trading it. If you do trade, if you're going to be holding, it's obviously a different story. But if you decide to look at this, Apecoin futures see 36 million in liquidation after the volatile trading. The token surged and shrank as the new features in the token ecosystem went live, and that is one of the strong reasons. So the market decided to dip, and at the same time the new update decided to come in. So when the news dropped, a lot of people decided to take profit. That's why the drop was so significant. It went so high up and so high down at the same time, which was just insane. Now if I show you guys this, Apecoin price shows no signs of slowing down. Target is $25. Apecoin price creates a new all-time high, which is now close to 27. Technicals suggest a bearish diversion could provide a buying opportunity before a move to $25. Now if there is a candle that will close below $14, then obviously this will be invalid. But keep in mind, if we just support close to $19 or test that support and start climbing back up, it's obviously nothing slowing us down from making it all the way to that $25. Other than that, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. I love reading some of the comments and the way you guys think. It just gives me a newer idea. At the same time, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe to stay up to date with everything. Drop a like on it just for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.